What's going on, y'all? I'm here at the MS Coalition's MS Summit. The MS Coalition is a group of nonprofits that work with multiple sclerosis, and the MS Summit is a day of programming, a couple days of programming. The pharmaceutical companies are here, people talking about MS, and there's a whole bunch of MS topics here, and it's just gonna be dope, and I'm happy to be in the mix. So let's go do this thing. They're about to start the programming, a bunch of panels that are very interesting to me because I have MS. Oh, and this guy? This guy over here. It's Stewart Schlossman, ladies and gentlemen. Say what's up.
Schlossman.
Look, I tried.
Schlossman.
I've only had but so much practice with that.
How are you all doing?
So you got a table here, right?
We do. It's right there. Turn around a little bit. You
Okay.
can see that?
No, what's great about Stewart and MS Views and News is that the things that I want to know about, that I'm talking about, that are important to me, because I have MS, he does. He presents in a very easy, engaging way. And Stewart himself has MS, so he knows what it is and has made this resource here for all of us. Like, talk a little bit more about that, really.
About MS Views and News?
Like how you got started and all that stuff. Like, you got MS?
I got MS. Oh my
And
God,
then-
I got MS. But what happened was that nobody wanted to tell me why I had MS or tell me anything about MS. You know, you go to your doctor and they don't want to speak to you, right? So what I did was I got out on the internet because that's what I like to do 20 plus years ago, right? I got on the internet, I started finding out about things about MS, and I started giving it to a support group. And then support group leaders in other places wanted to know more about what I was able to find on the internet. And they asked me to find for them what I was able to get.
Yeah.
And they gave me other things to look for on there. So it started off as just a little list of people that I was sending it to.
Yeah.
The information, like every day, now is worldwide.
It's a
You know,
thing.
we're in like 100 and something countries.
Yeah.
You know, our information gets to.
Yeah.
So it's really cool. But
No.
we provide internet-based programs. We have webinars every month. We have webcasts. We do our educational program. I myself am on the road over 140 nights a year.
Tell us,
Yeah,
Stewart.
I got MS.
Okay.
All right. But I don't live my MS.
Whoa.
All right. I make it live with me.
Whoa, I'm going to shift my frame because that's real.
I make it live with me, and it's got to live my lifestyle, not the other way around. And that's what you all should be doing too, is making it live your life, all right? Don't live it. You can't wait for a cure. It may never happen in your lifetime, all right? But you got to get out there and live your lives. Don't wait around, all right? So let's do it, all right? Get together with Damien, listen to him, and let's
Look,
do more of this another time.
He just signed off, y'all, like a G, like a super professional G.
Outta here.
Oh, man, thank you,
Thank you,
Stewart.
thank you.
Like, no, that's pretty much what's going on here. Folks are chopping it up about MS. Some folks have MS. Some folks are their caregivers. And I'm just here talking to folks and learning some things. And soon there will be panels. And I don't think I can record in the panels, but I'll check in with you later. Give me your whole title right now.
Okay, I'm Casey Minnis. I'm the Director of Communications for MS Focus, the Multiple Sclerosis Foundation, and I have been with the organization for 26 years.
Whoa. I mean, that's super huge considering like you're 28, you know? So what do you
My
do?
entire adult life.
Yeah, totally.
I'm responsible for the staff that does our magazine, our newsletters, our online radio station, our websites, our YouTube channel and videos, basically all of the communication channels that we use to get information out to people with MS.
Cool. And so like today has been one of these successful days, yeah?
Absolutely. It's been a terrific opportunity to get information into the hands of people with MS and their family members, and to really like work with all of our partners at the other MS organizations.
How long have you been involved with the MS Summit? Like, how does this go?
Well, I've actually been involved with the MS Summit since the very beginning. This
Okay.
is the second one that we've done as part of the MS Coalition.
Cool.
The coalition was started in 2005 to get all of the MS organizations working together, making sure that we're eliminating duplication of services and that we're able to, refer to the other organizations when there's a service that they provide that we don't. So everybody's partnering together to speak with one voice for the MS community on advocacy and to make sure that we're making the best use of donor dollars to get the right services out to the right people at the right time.
Only the most illustrious guest on the vlog. No, thanks for talking with me, and this is beautiful. And because 20 years ago there were no MS drugs. 10 years ago there was no MS community.
Yes.
So I'm glad to be here. I'm glad that you are here.
Thank you.
And I'm glad that y'all is watching. Thank you. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah.